Remember, before we placed an order, we had 302 followers, right? And we still have 302 followers. For us to refresh, I think we need to just leave this place, and do like we searched again, and come back to the profile, and right here, boom, you can see we have 402 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already been completed. We had 302 followers, and currently we have 402 followers, which means the 100 we ordered has already entered. I'm about to teach you a hack that will help you gain Twitch followers very fast as in Nigeria. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So firstly, I will introduce you to this website called growbetter.net. The link is in the description. So all you need to do is for you to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing, and you'll be able to get Twitch followers very fast, instantly. So let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to right here. Just create a username, and while creating your username, make sure you write it together, do not give space. Come to this email, put your email, and come to this password, put your password, and come to this confirm password and confirm your password. This I am human, you see this box beside it, just tap on it, and once this thing load and tick like this, the next you need to do is for you to come to this sign up right here and tap on this sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. So due to because I already have an account, there is no need for me to actually create a new account. So all I need to do is for me to actually click on the sign in and sign into my account, and continue showing you guys how to use this hack. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you log into your account, is exactly how it's supposed to look like. So the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this category. Can you see this category right here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see Instagram followers, TikTok followers, YouTube subscribers. These are other social media services you can actually get in this platform. But today we are going for Twitch followers. So we just need to use the search button right here up here. Just need to search Twitch. So once you search Twitch, you can see Twitch followers, right? So I just need to select this one on the second row, understand? So select it, and the next thing we need to do is for us to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? You just need to tap on it, and I'll select the first one, right? Then read the description. The description stated that the minimum follower you can order is 20, the max you can order is 10,000 followers, and which means that you can actually get up to 10,000 followers here instantly, right? So once you enter 10,000 followers, if you complete, you can order another 10,000 followers. It doesn't mean that if you get 10,000 followers, you cannot get order. You can still get more. You can even get 1 million if you want. All right. So right here, they say the link you need is your Twitch profile link, and the refill is 30 days. They say that the processing speed may vary during peak service time, and they also say do not place second order on the same link until your current order is completed in the system. So once you place an order, just exercise patience. Your order is going to complete. Do not place two order on the same link so that you won't contradict them. So the next thing you need to do is to come to this link right here and put your Twitch profile link, right? So let me show you guys how to copy link on Twitch. You just need to go to Twitch, So right here I'm on Twitch, and this particular one down here is the one I want to boost. This particular one that had 302 followers. When you enter it, you can see it's 302 followers right here. So you need to indicate this thing because we are going to come back and you are going to see these followers are going to add. So if you want to copy your link, you can see these three dots right here. Can you see these three dots for up here? Just tap on it, and right here you can see this share, right? You can see this share. Just tap on the share, and you can see this copy link down here. Can you see this copy link down here? Tap on it and your link is copied. Then come to the platform and paste your link, and right here put the amount of followers you want. I'm going to put 100, right? So the next thing we need to do is for us to click on the submit right here. And this is the submit. Just tap on it, and your order is received. And all you need to do is for you to actually wait, because these followers will start coming into your account. And before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. How then do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. Come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it. By your left hand side, you can see this add fund. Can you see this add fund right here? You can see it. Just tap on it. Once you tap on the add fund, it will bring you right here. You can see this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and it's going to display two payment options in this platform, which is Quora Pay and manual. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use both of them. So let's start with Quora Pay. Once you select Quora Pay, come to this amount, put the amount you want. I'm putting 1,000. Then click on this pay right here. Once you tap on the pay, Quora Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. As you can see right here, they ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, pay with bank, right? So if you want to pay with debit card, just tap on debit card, put your card details right here. If you want to pay with bank transfer, all you need to do is to come right here and read all this instruction, right? And click on this I understand instruction. click on continue, and CoralPay is going to provide this account details you can see right here on the screen. All you need to do is for you to actually send money to this account number, and you don't need to do anything. It will automatically rotate and your balance is going to be reflected. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to use CoralPay. Let me show you guys how to use manual. So let's go back. You just need to come select manual, read the instruction stated, kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000 because it won't to be refunded, and they say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. All you need to do is either you click on this contact us, or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Once you click on this WhatsApp icon, it will take you to the WhatsApp, then send them proof of payment and they'll grow better username, and they're going to confirm your payment immediately. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So right now, let's go back to Twitch to actually see if the followers we ordered has already counted, right? You remember before we placed an order, we had 302 followers, right? And we still have 302 followers. For us to refresh, I think we need to just leave this place, and do like we searched again, and come back to the profile, and right here, boom, you can see we have 402 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already been completed. We had 302 followers and currently we have 402 followers, which means the 100 we ordered has already entered. So this is exactly how to boost your Twitch followers in Nigeria, and it's very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this platform, do the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to get this follower. The link is in the description, the link of the website in the description. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.